Hello everyone, today we are starting with our new lecture series which is on DBT Data Tool. We will start from the basics and will learn till advanced. So in this tutorial, this is the first tutorial of our series. In this tutorial we will learn how to set up DBT project on your local machine. So it's a simple 3-4 step process. I will show you step by step how to do it. So first is, before we start, we will create a virtual environment, Python virtual environment in our local machine, so that other or the root environment is not impacted with that. So we have created the Python virtual environment. Next is, we will activate the environment. You can see dbt-env. This environment has been activated. Okay, so we have created this in our current directory, so you can see here on the left pane. Now we will install the dbt core library. So command for that is pip install dbt-core. Okay, yeah, so dbt core has been installed. This is a single library to begin with. Now we will initialize our project in the current directory. So for command for that is dbt init. So it will create your directory in the current folder itself, because our current working directory is this one. So now it is asking for the project name. So the project name should only contain letters, digits and underscore. So I am giving dbt-kk underscore tutorial, and now I will press enter. So this project has now initialized. On the left panel you can see there is one folder, dbt-kk underscore tutorial. So this is our dbt project. And see, you can see multiple folders. So these are automatically created folders which gets created when we initialize any project. So this models folder, this is the most important part, where we will be creating all our dbt models. Then we have test, then we have dbt project.yml. This is also important. These are configurations, so sources, models, schema. Okay, so in schema we will define which all sources we have, what are the columns. So these are two sample models. So you can see the configuration. So it's a basic configuration and basic model. Later we will see what is the meaning of all those configuration and how to create more advanced data models. And this is referencing to the first model through ref. So we will see what is the meaning of ref and source, all those things. Okay, stay tuned for more lectures.